Okay, this is Puer Tea Steeping 1. Now I'm using about 10 grams of tea because this is a large teapot. It holds about 5 cups. So I'm putting 2 of these touches into my infuser. Now, because it's the first steeping, typically you're supposed to sanitize this tea because it is aged. And the way I do that is I just use it in a mug and pour some of the full boil water on it. And it doesn't take long, just a few moments I put in there. Now, if you're drinking this tea for its cholesterol lowering benefits, you may want to skip this step. The tea won't taste quite as well, but it's my belief that some of the benefits are actually lost in this step. Okay, now once it's sanitized, you're ready just to do your normal steep. Now, because this is the first steeping and this tea is compressed, it takes a little longer because the tea leaves will have to kind of relax. So we're just going to wait this out, and what I do is just allow it to steep until the color of the tea is where I want it to be. And typically this first steeping may take as long as a minute or so, and the first steeping is usually, as far as taste, probably the least tasteful of the 3 or 4 steepings that you should get out of a quality tea. I'll go over in the next couple of days, because this amount of tea will last me all day, how I rank the flavoring of the different steeps. We're just being patient here and allowing it. As you can see, the tea is getting darker and darker. And actually, I think we're probably about good right there. I didn't time it, but if I can figure out how to do it, I'll put a timer on the video. And now once it's steeped and you've got your tea the way you want it, I take my infuser out, and I have this old container here that I just let it sit in, and it'll sit in there until tomorrow when we'll do the second steeping. Okay, this is steep number 2, and generally this will produce the best tasting tea, the most flavor. But it'll be very quick. Right, these are the grounds from the yesterday morning, and we'll just pour this on, and generally just about the time you can pour it through the tea leaves, it'll be ready. As you can see, we already have our color, and that's it for the second steep. And like I said, this will be the best of the multiple steepings. So this will be my tea for today, and we'll do it again tomorrow morning, steep number 3. Okay, this is our third steeping on this set of tea leaves, and what I'm going to do this morning is, this is going to be the last part of the video, even though there may be 4 or 5 total steepings. But the key here is you don't want to steep these leaves more than 3 minutes. So I'm going to have a timer here set on 3 minutes. But what I'm going to do is I'm still going to watch the color of the tea, and when it gets right, I'll pull the leaves out, and if it takes less than 3 minutes, I know I can steep these again tomorrow, because it still has some flavor left in them. So we're going to go in and start this, and well, with these leaves, it's already reached its color, so obviously I didn't need the timer today. but I wanted to illustrate it. This is already good to go. So it only took about 15 seconds, as you can see. So tomorrow I would do the same process again. Of course, I would start over at 3 minutes, and you know, if it doesn't come all the way to color in 3 minutes, then you know you're done. Or if it just barely makes it, then you know the next time you've done your last steeping. But anyway, I just wanted to make this short video to kind of demonstrate how to steep puer tea. Hope you enjoyed it.